Hello, good evening. So, just because this isn't really an unboxing channel, but you know, I thought I might throw in the odd unboxing video every now and then. This has arrived this evening, and it is my new Shark Stratos Pet Pro vacuum cleaner. I've owned a couple of Sharks before. This one we've had to kind of order as a necessity because I've been having building works done, and basically the brick dust and all the debris and stuff has kind of killed my last Shark. It's working, it's just not sucking up very well. So yeah, here we go. Here it is, the Shark Stratos. Now this one has, it's cordless. It has 120 minutes of runtime because it has 2 batteries in it. And I'm told it is going to be a lot better than my current Shark, which maybe I can get refurbished. I don't know. So let's open this up. So in the top here we have a quick start guide. I shall leave that there in case you wanted to read it, with safety instructions. And then we have obviously a number of sub boxes inside the main box. Oops. Try that again. Let's pull this one out. So here's the head. Let's do the satisfying bit. Oh, that's nice. Anti-odor technology, clean sense. Rubbish to one side. Bit of cardboard. Bit of cardboard. I am liking the lack of plastic packaging. There's what I guess you call the wand, with its, you know, bendy bit. There you go. Let's pull this bit out. What do we have in here? Right. Here we have another head. So this will be for, you know, specifically for pet hair and stuff. Rubbery bits on there. Plug. Charging thingamy-bob. Anti-odor cartridge. I must admit, I don't really get smells from my carpet, but oh, it looks like a can of cat food. Look at that. Cool. Another accessory coming up. I don't know whether this will fit my existing Shark accessories. I suspect not. They're buggers for that. They tend to like change this fitting here so that none of the old Shark models will take it. It's annoying as hell. Battery. A bag for Shark accessories. And what do we have in here? So this is the dual battery one. So basically we can have a battery charging whilst we have one in the machine, which is dead handy because I don't have a very big house, but my current Shark, and indeed my Dysons before that, they would regularly run out of power before I'd done a proper deep clean of the whole house. We've got some more stuff inside here. Let me just tip this out. That's just packaging left in there, I think, but let's double check. More cardboard. Yeah, empty box. So here, what's this? What is this? Oh, that's nice. That's the sort of thing you would do for louvered blinds, you know, getting into like little gaps like that. And it's twistable, you see? That's quite cool. Just threw that bit off there. More cardboard, more paper. So here is the actual unit itself. And as you'll see, it has a battery mounted on it. So if you're in the middle of cleaning the house and it runs out, you simply plug another battery into it. That opens up like that for emptying the dust. And the filters and things will be in here. So this basically, this whole thing will come off, I've no doubt, from past experience. What's this other bit that I just thrown over there? You just grab that a sec. So, yeah, this is the bit the accessory I will probably be using the most. The one that I find most useful. So, let me assemble. So, which way round is this? It must be that way round. It goes in there like that. Oh, yeah. Here is, the power button. Let me just pull this off. Clean Sense IQ. Automatically adjusts power for dirt level, best used on carpet and hard floor. Eco, maximise runtime. Boost, maximise suction, uses the most battery power. Yeah, as you would expect. There's the on button. It has power. Right, there's a plus button here. So that goes us to Eco, and that goes to Boost, and that goes back to normal, and then that turns it off. Take the head, and we're going to plug that in there. And there we have our completed shark. Now let me just try something. This is the battery that I've just taken off. I'm just curious to see whether the other battery also has a bit of power. It does. They both come at about 60% charged. So I'll let you know the results later this evening, but there is my silly Dyson unboxing, not Dyson, Shark unboxing video. For what it's worth, I hope you've enjoyed it. Yeah, we'll see what happens with it, shall we? Hello again. Anyway, it's some time later. I have now used the Shark Stratos Pet Pro. Here it is in its folded configuration. Obviously, it's a brand new vacuum cleaner, so you know it's going to outperform my old one, but I'm actually very impressed with it. I can actually feel the suction. It's actually pulling me into the carpet. It's really cool. For those of you who may be interested, basically this is the battery charger. I've labelled my batteries because I'm very sad. So yeah, it's quite handy, you know, just being able to sort of grab the vacuum cleaner. Excuse the big bag of clothes there that I've just recovered. It's just easy just to grab it without having to unhook it, you know. Always have a battery on charge. So yeah, it's cool. One thing I didn't mention, this is where the
scent thingy goes in, and you'll notice there's a little hook up handle here. I can actually dial it up or down. Now, as I said earlier, I don't really have a problem with odour in my carpets as far as I'm aware, but it's nice to have the option. Anyway, let me just give you a very, very quick demonstration here. It does particularly like sucking up this rug. So here is the on button. You can see here it gives you the percentage. So we're at what, 60%? You can then cycle it to eco mode or boost mode or this clean sense mode, which I think is where basically it decides for itself how much power it needs to use. And in fact, as you vacuum with it, you can actually hear the power fluctuate. It's done a very good job at cleaning this rug, which was a right mess earlier today. Like I say, I've had building works done, so I've got a lot of sort of dust and stuff sitting around to pick up. Look at that, see? Very powerful, very powerful. It especially likes pulling up this rug. So yeah, all in all, I'm actually very impressed. My last shark kind of had like a 2-switch setting, one for carpet, one for sort of solid floors, but I think this one just works it out for itself. So again, you can hear that. I didn't press anything there, but it actually cycled up with the power. So yes, I think I'd recommend this product. Obviously I haven't used it in the long run yet, but I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. I mean, put it this way, I've hoovered down, oh sorry, hoovered. I've vacuumed downstairs and upstairs, just like kind of one pass each, and it's picked up this amount of rubbish from my carpets. Now, admittedly, I've had a week or so where my previous shark has been knackered and not really able to pick up anything, but I think you'll agree that's quite an impressive amount of stuff to pick up in less than an hour of use. So, like I say, this isn't really an unboxing channel, but I thought I'd do an unboxing video of the shark as I've got it. And if anyone's interested, I might do other unboxings of other random stuff I get. Probably mostly sci-fi, toys, Lego, that kind of thing. But I thought, why not? Let's do an episode about this. Thanks for watching.
If you enjoy what I do here, although I can't think why, please remember to click the like button, smash that subscribe button, and hit the bell icon to be notified whenever I post a new video. You might also want to check out my website, www.worldsbestestpoet.com, if you fancy a laugh.